to formally open the gateway route to Seaford Town Centre, a scheme which has been long in the planning and is now excellent in the execution. We have to thank the Seaford Community Partnership, Impact Seaford, the Seaford Town Council, the Seaford Chamber of Commerce, the Seaford Rotary Club, and many others unsung. The funding for this trail has come from HM Government and the Regional Development Fund of the European Union. The Deputy Mayor of Seaford and the Mayor and Mayoress, and it is the honour and duty and privilege, and I'm sure great joy, of our Mayor, Councillor Rodney Reid, to declare this accessible gate leading to the Seagull gateway route into the town centre wide open. God save the Queen! The purpose of the route is to take the many visitors to our excellent seafront, to our equally excellent town centre with its shops, restaurants, galleries and other attractions.
Seaford's a fantastic place. We've got fantastic beach, great shops with a very wide range. You hardly need to go out of Seaford in order to get everything that you want. Involved with the neighbourhood plan, we were very keen to make the best of the town, and why not introduce the town to visitors as well, so they can see what a great town we've got.
That the project today does bring the seafront into the town and connect the town with the seafront, business going in both directions.